In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade in and out of video and audio in Canva. If you've ever had music jump in too abruptly at the start of a project or cut off harshly at the end, a simple fade can make everything feel polished and professional. Here is how to do it clearly and confidently. First, open your design in Canva. This can be any format you are working with: YouTube thumbnail with a video background, a social post with motion, or a full video project. Make sure you are in the editor with the timeline visible at the bottom so you can see your media clips and audio layers. Next, bring your audio into the project. You can drag and drop your audio file directly onto the timeline from your computer, or browse Canva's audio library to pick a track that matches your style. Once the file lands on the timeline, it will appear as an audio strip underneath your visuals. If you are layering music under a voiceover or sound effects, position the track so it starts and ends where you want it. Now, click the audio track on the timeline to select it. This tells Canva which layer you want to edit, and it activates the relevant options at the top of the screen. With the track selected, look for audio effects in the top toolbar. Depending on your interface, you may see a button labeled Audio Effects, or you might need to click the three dots and choose Fade. Either way opens the same control panel where you can add a fade in at the beginning and a fade out at the end. Use the sliders to set your fade durations in seconds. A fade in slowly raises the volume from silence at the start of your track, while a fade out gently lowers it to silence at the end. Longer durations create smoother, more gradual transitions. Shorter ones keep the energy tight. For background music under narration, a 1 to 3 second fade in often feels natural, while outros can benefit from a longer fade, like 3 to 5 seconds. To ease the ending, watch the timeline as you adjust. The fade regions are usually visualized so you can see exactly where the volume ramps up and down. As you fine-tune, listen back to make sure your fade complements your visuals and any dialogue. Aim for a fade that feels invisible. You should notice the improvement, not the effect itself. If the start still feels abrupt, nudge the fade in a bit longer. If the end lingers too much, shorten the fade out. And that's it. Thanks for watching.